Good morning. It is Sunday, July 11th, 2021, and this is Wes Fryer coming to you from my backyard here in Oklahoma City. I am very excited to be participating again and sharing in the Summer Institute in Digital Literacy, and this is a quick introduction for my session, Filtering the ExoFlood, which I think would be more easily or better understood as smart media dieting. After the live session, which will actually be tomorrow, I'll have the full video of the session here on the Anytime Learning, which may be the best way to kind of experience the sort of complete arc of thoughts that go with this workshop. But I do have some tutorials, and I'm going to continue to add to this. One of the things I love about summer professional development, and specifically our Summer Institute on Digital Literacy, is the opportunity to sandbox ideas, try things out, but then also continue to develop and iterate ideas. And so this workshop actually started back in April of 2019 at the Atlas Conference in Dallas, Texas, which is an independent school technology director administrator conference. And the main thesis here is that we need to filter our information feeds. We live in an attention economy where everyone's trying to get our attention. We also live in a very polluted media environment. And so I want to talk in this session about the difference between an algorithmically created feed of information, which is something that we see with Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and other kinds of social media. But we have an opportunity ourselves to take proactive and assertive control over that. And so there are some different tools that I'm going to highlight. One of the best ones is Twitter, but not using Twitter and just going to your home feed, but by creating lists and using those Twitter lists of related people on related themes within a tool like Flipboard. I'm also going to talk a little bit about podcasting. I'm so sorry that Nuzzle is dead this session, and it kind of relates a little bit to a session I've done for a number of years just called Discovering Good Ideas. Nuzzle is a tool that Twitter bought, and it actually would basically crowdsource your feed. So folks that you followed on Twitter and on Facebook, if you wanted to, and they shared articles and links, then it would bring those to the top. And it was something that really, helped in filtering out so much stuff. There are wonderful ideas that are being shared every day by people around the planet. And I love living in that world. And we have many people from that world who live in that world that are part of our Summer Institute on Digital Literacy. And so anyway, I hope this session will be helpful to you. I hope it'll give you some practical ideas and strategies for ways that you can not only, receive and read and process and watch and listen, all the ways that we process media to find really great ideas and connect with others. But also I want to encourage you to share and to be a generous sharer, because there are, as I'll talk about in the session, really some different worlds of social media. And some of those are ugly, some of those are nasty, some of those are vitriolic, some of them are highly polarized, but there's also some that are highly collaborative, that are focused on educational engagement and learning and media literacy and inquiry and so many of the things that we love and are focused on and passionate about here at the Summer Institute. So I hope to see you in the live session, but if not, I look forward to interacting with you in the Anytime session resources, and let's have fun together. We're going to continue to learn, not just this week, but in the weeks to come.